In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your audio to text completely for free. There are no time limits, no subscriptions required, and it even works completely offline without an internet connection. You can run this directly on your PC, it supports multiple languages, and you won't have to pay a single penny. The app we are using is called Vibe. It is an incredible open-source application available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Vibe is powered by OpenAI's Whisper model, which is currently the absolute best AI for accurate transcription. To get started, head over to their website and click on Download for Windows. I've also left a direct link for you in the description box below. Installing the app is incredibly easy. Once you run the setup, it will automatically download the necessary OpenAI Whisper model files in the background. Once that's done, the app will open up and the interface will look like this. From the main screen, you have options to upload a folder, record audio, or paste a link. If you go to the Record Audio tab, simply select your microphone from the drop-down menu. You can also choose your speaker settings and specify how many people are talking. Just click Record and Transcribe, and it will capture and convert your voice in real time. You can also upload existing files to be transcribed. Let me show you an example. I'm going to upload one of my previous YouTube audio files right here. Once the file is in, just click Transcribe. As you can see, it only took about 5 to 10 seconds to transcribe the entire audio file, and the resulting text is incredibly accurate. Once your transcription is ready, you have a few great options. You can easily copy the text, print it, or download it. It supports multiple export formats, including PDF, DOCX, SRT, VTT, or whatever format you need for your specific project. Vibe also has some powerful advanced features. If you click on More Options, you can actually have the AI summarize your audio file. Just toggle the Summarize switch on, choose the AI model you want to use, and it will use a prompt to generate a summary for you. In this menu, you can also enable speaker diarization, which detects and labels exactly who is speaking in the audio. Note that to use this, it will just need to download a small additional model file. Furthermore, if your audio is in a different language, there is a feature to automatically translate it directly into English. Keep in mind that the transcription speed will depend on how large your file is, but in almost all cases, it works flawlessly. It's completely free, offers unlimited usage, and works completely offline. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.